Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking. Today we'll be preparing Upasachi Sabudana Khichdi. Coming up. It is said that Sabudana or sagu is extracted from the tapioca plant and hence they are also called as tapioca pearls. Well, Sabudana Khichdi is a very popular fasting item in India. But you can also have this Sabudana Khichdi as a breakfast or snack. Today I'll be showing you the recipe for the Sabudana Khichdi which you can consume for fasting. So let's check out the ingredients. To make this khichdi, you require some prior preparation. Soak 2 such cups of sabudana for at least 6 hours or preferably overnight. To do that, just lay them in such kind of a vessel and pour enough water so that it is completely covered. After some hours, they will puff up like this. Then we will be making use of pure ghee to cook this khichdi. So take around 2 tablespoons of pure ghee, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 3 to 4 chopped green chillies, some curry leaves or kadhi patta, 2 sliced potatoes, 1 teaspoon of sugar, around 2 tablespoons of ground peanuts and around 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Finally, some salt to taste. So just before we start cooking, make sure that the sabudana are separated from each other and then we will be mixing some ingredients in this vessel itself. So let's add 2 tablespoons of ground peanuts, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of sugar and also salt to taste. Now let's mix these ingredients together. Now for cooking, let's take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now once the ghee melts, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Add the green chilies and also the curry leaves. Saute them a bit and let's add the chopped potatoes. Now fry these potatoes in this hot ghee till the time they become brown. Now occasionally keep stirring these potatoes so that they won't stick to the pan, and also make sure that the potatoes are cooked before we add the sabudana mixture. You can also lower the heat and cover the pan to make sure that the potatoes are cooked. Just open and check. The potatoes have started changing its color. Just check if the potatoes are cooked. You can just apply some pressure on the potato and see if they are cutting through. Yes, they are. So that means the potatoes are cooked. Reduce the heat. Now let's add the sabudana mixture and gently give it a stir. Once we add the sabudana when they are raw, they will be white in color like this. We have to cook this sabudana till the time they start becoming translucent. When a sabudana becomes translucent, that's when you know that the sabudana is cooked. Now after about 4 to 5 minutes, let's see if the sabudana is cooked. You can see that the sabudana has changed its color and it has become translucent. That means our khichdi is done. Now let's take it off the gas. Wow, doesn't it look wonderful? Now it is time to serve. You can garnish this with some fresh grated coconut on top, and there you go. Our khichdi is ready. So this was the Sabudana Khichdi, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you have liked my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also do consider subscribing. Now don't forget, you can also check out the entire recipe of this dish on our website simplysimplecooking.net. So this was it from me in this video, guys. See you again in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.